Salt water, banned by law. A ghost cow with fiery eyes, roaming the night. A golden table so powerful that it dragged 12 oxen to their death. This is not fiction. It is Jamaica's hidden history. We are sharing 10 weird facts about Jamaica that you may have forgotten or never knew, revealing the island's strangest laws, legends, and truths. These facts prove that the real Jamaica is far stranger and far more fascinating than the postcard image. Fact 1. The law that criminalized salt water. Jamaica once passed a law that made salt water illegal. The Obeah Act of 1898 was so broad that it turned everyday items into contraband. Feathers, eggshells, even a simple bottle of salt water were treated as instruments of witchcraft. Why? Colonial rulers feared Obeah, the African-derived spiritual practice associated with slave rebellions, and such as Tacky's Revolt of 1760. One case in 1928 showed the absurdity. A man was arrested for offering healing by giving someone salt water, lighting lamps, and praying. His crime? Speaking in an unknown tongue. The law was never about stopping harm. It was about controlling African culture and spirituality. To this day, the word Obeah carries a stigma created by that campaign of fear. Fact 2. The ghost cow with fiery eyes. In the still of night, a sound chills the blood, chains dragging on the ground. It means the rolling calf is near. This monstrous half-man, half-cow Duppy is said to have blazing red eyes and the power to burn its victims with fiery breath. But here's the strangest part. It can be outsmarted. The rolling calf is obsessed with counting. Toss pebbles or grains of rice in its path, and it must stop to count them, while giving the victim a chance to escape. Others swear it can be driven back with a whip held in the left hand or the sign of the cross. More than a scary tale, the rolling calf served as a supernatural enforcer in communities where the colonial courts failed to deliver justice. Fact 3. The bat that refused to die. The Jamaican flower bat has been declared extinct twice. First discovered in 1898, it vanished for decades. Then, in 1957, it was found alive in St. Clair Cave, only to disappear again by the 1980s. Scientists wrote it off as gone forever, until 2010, when a small colony was rediscovered in a single cave. Living in hot caves with suffocating heat, this rare bat mirrors the survival story of Jamaica's Maroons, who hid in the island's rugged cockpit country, thriving where others could not. The flower bat is a living metaphor for Jamaica itself, thought-beaten yet always finding a way to endure. Fact 4. When disasters made people rush to marry. The 1907 Kingston earthquake killed more than 1,000 people, and in its aftermath, something strange happened. Among the wealthy, marriage rates suddenly spiked. Believing the quake was God's punishment, elites rushed to wed, desperate to make peace with heaven. Among the poor, the opposite occurred. Hurricanes and earthquakes devastated homes and incomes, making marriage impossible. With church fees and licenses too costly, couples simply stayed in common law unions. Disaster divided the island, not only by class, but by how people made sense of catastrophe as an act of God or a matter of survival. Fact 5. Blouse and skirt. Clean cursing. Jamaican patois has some of the strangest exclamations. Blouse and skirt is not about clothing, it's a way to curse without cursing. Jamaicans developed a system of clean cussing to avoid taboo words in front of elders or in public. Expressions like "ratted," "me brown cow," and "backside" carry the punch of profanity but keep respectability intact. Meanwhile, harsher curse words are rooted not in blasphemy or sex, but in hygiene, such as referring to cloths used before modern sanitation. This dual system of language shows how Jamaicans balance emotion with respect, finding creativity even in anger. Fact 6. Towns with the strangest names: Cornpuss Gap, Rat Trap, Judgment Cliff. Jamaica's map is filled with names born from bizarre stories. In Cornpuss Gap in St. Thomas recalls a desperate group of hikers who killed and salted a cat to survive. Rat Trap in Westmoreland came from a shopkeeper who joked that his store caught customers like rodents. Judgment Cliff was named after a cruel Dutchman whose house was buried in the 1692 earthquake, seen as God's punishment. Even the Maroons left their mark with "I no call you no come," a place name that warned outsiders to stay away unless invited. Each name is an oral history written into the land. Fact 7. Doctors who dueled over vomiting blood. In 1750, 2 doctors in Jamaica turned science into a blood sport. Dr. John Williams mocked his rival's European training in a pamphlet about yellow fever, which caused patients to vomit black blood. Dr. Parker Bennett, insulted, confronted him with pistols and swords. The fight was vicious. Williams shot Bennett in the chest and leg. Bennett still managed to stab Williams in the abdomen. Both survived. It was medicine Jamaican style in the 18th century. Deadly diseases, deadly pride, and disputes settled not by journals, but by duels. Fact 8. Souls that became guava-eating bats. For the Taino, widely known as Jamaica's first people, the afterlife was not a place of clouds and angels. The dead became bats, flying out at night to feast on guava fruit. Their shamans inhaled hallucinogenic snuff during ceremonies to commune with spirits, and guava trees were sacred. This worldview erased the boundaries between humans, animals, and plants. Death meant transformation, not an ending. It's a haunting reminder of a cosmology wiped out by conquest, yet still alive in fragments of Jamaican culture. So fact 9, Nine Night, how to trick a ghost. When someone dies in Jamaica, the nine-night ritual ensures the spirit leaves peacefully. But it's also about tricking the ghost. Families flip mattresses, rearrange furniture, and sew shut pockets in burial clothes so the spirit cannot settle or throw stones at the living. Children are sometimes even passed over the coffin 3 times to break ties with the dead. Food is left unsalted, and music fills the night, sending the spirit off joyfully. For outsiders, it may seem strange, but Nine Night turns fear into action, helping communities manage grief and keep Duppies at bay. Fact 10. More phones than people. In 2015, Jamaica's cell phone subscription rate hit 107%. That means more active phone numbers than citizens. Why? To beat the system. The Jamaicans used multiple SIM cards, one for cheap data, another for a better signal. Mountainous terrain meant that one carrier worked at home while the other worked at the office. It was survival through technology, a modern version of the old saying, "Tunyu handmek fashion," creativity in the face of limitation. But the weirdest stories don't end here. What about a golden table that dragged oxen to their death, or frogs that laugh in the night? The bonus facts reveal even stranger corners of Jamaica. Bonus fact 1. The golden table that drowned 12 oxen. A legend tells of a golden table rising from the Rio Cobre River. A planter tried to drag it out with 12 oxen, but the table pulled them, and the men under the water forever. Bonus fact 2. Frogs that snore and laugh. Jamaica's frogs include species named for human sounds. The snoring frog calls from hollow trees. The laughing frog chuckles from bromeliads. At night, the island literally snores and laughs. Bonus fact 3. The secret language of the Abang horn. The Maroons' cow horn could call specific people by sound alone. British soldiers heard it but could never decode it. It was Jamaica's first encrypted messaging system. Bonus fact 4. Walking backwards into your house. To keep a duppy from following you home, tradition says to walk in backwards. Spiritual defense, or perhaps just a clever way to stay alert against intruders. From outlawed saltwater to laughing frogs, Jamaica's weirdness is not random. It is survival, resilience, and imagination at work. These stories prove Jamaica is more than beaches and reggae. It's a land where history, belief, and creativity collide in the strangest ways. Please subscribe to Impacting Jamaica for more hidden truths that reveal the island's real heart.